Right, Nelly. So, first lesson, and we managed to get four chords done, so that's fantastic. Really good going there in the first lesson. So, four chords were E minor, A minor 7, and well, A minor as well, G and D. So, nice set of chords there. There's probably thousands of songs that are made up of those chords or even less. So, we'll have a look at them. So just before we do, a couple of little things to that kind of apply in general when it comes to playing chords. So first of all, where you can, have your finger right up to the fret. So not on it like that, but right up to it, right behind it. Okay? Where you can, you won't always be able to do that. Like in E minor, your first finger's going to have to be back here. Another thing is make sure that you're coming straight down on it. You don't want to be lying down flat like that because then this will be fine, but then you're going to be blocking the other ones, right? And so have it straight up, very tip of your finger, and plenty of pressure. Really squeeze it down, no matter how much it hurts. Right, so E minor, got first finger, and you've got the diagrams for these anyway. So first finger here, second fret, fifth string, second fret, fourth string. So for A minor 7, so we did A minor 7 first because, more light here, too much. Because it's a bit easier than the regular A minor, right? All you got to do from E minor here is pivot around, middle finger stays where it is, third or first fret on the second string. Now, if you're having trouble reaching back that far with your first finger, just scooch back here. That's as long as you're not all the way back here where you're going to be getting buzz and stuff. If you're about halfway there, that's still fine. And try and avoid the A string or the E string because it kind of tends to muffle up the chord a bit. So just start from the fifth string there, and we'll talk a bit later about how to get rid of this one a bit more effectively. So there's A minor 7. If you want regular A minor, third finger, third string, second fret. Okay, then G. So we're coming over there, third finger right up here, third fret, first string, second fret on the fifth string with the first finger, and then third fret, second finger on the sixth. Okay, and then D. So think of D as a kind of a triangle shape. First finger there, second fret, third string, second finger right beside it, and try and get the two of them right up there if you can. So I know obviously it's kind of, it'll end up like that sometimes, but try and get the two of them right there. Then third finger comes in, and just make sure it's standing straight up because if it's lying down, you'll get that note, but then you won't get the one below it. So stand it right up, really kind of tall. All right, so then just put them together, see what happens. So I know we didn't do much on rhythm or strumming, so we'll obviously take care of that next week. But just try and sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, switch over. 1, 2, 3, 4, just down, 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 just for now, obviously. 2, 3, 4, 1. And remember, that learning the chords, learning how to play the chords is only the first step because you're never going to be just playing a chord. You're always going to be going from one chord to another chord. So always be trying to change from maybe E minor to G. So for example, if you're changing from E minor to G, your first finger can stay where it is. Well, maybe scooch it up a bit because it's not, this finger is not in the way anymore. And then you're there with these two. So watch that change again. You're here. This one stays on the string, just scooches up a bit, and these two. Always try and do it with as little movement as you can, right? So never sort of take it off and then put it back on for the next one, because that's just, too much wasted movement. All right, and just keep it nice and steady. And then we'll get into a few songs next week. All right, keep it up. Well done.